In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Studio not opening on your Windows computer. So to go and fix this, first open up the Start menu and search for Run, and then click on the Run icon. In the search box, type in App Data and then press Enter. Now double click on Local and then scroll down until you see the Roblox folder and double click this. Then double click on Versions. And then what you need to do is go and open the latest version of this Roblox folder. Now you can click on the date modified at the top here to ensure you're opening the latest version. So mine is this top one. I'm going to double click on it. And then you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the Roblox Player Launcher. Now if you don't see it in this folder, you can always go back and try the folder just below. So I already see it in this folder here, so I'm going to double click on it, and then you'll just need to wait while this installs Roblox to your computer. Now you need to come back over to the folder and click on the back arrow. From here we need to right click on Roblox Studio Installer and select Run as Administrator. If you don't see the Roblox Studio Installer here, then just double click on one of your versions and you should be able to locate the Roblox Studio Installer from here. So I'm just going to right click on this and select Run as Administrator, and just like that it's going to install Roblox Studio to our computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.